In this video, we look at type hints, a way to label the kinds of values your Python functions expect and return, making your code easier to read and safer to write. Type hints are optional annotations you add to your code. They tell Python and anyone reading your code what kind of value a variable or function is supposed to work with. Think of a type hint like a label on a storage box. The label does not lock the box, but it clearly signals what should go inside, so you and your tools know when something looks wrong. Here we define a function called add. After each parameter name, we write a colon and then int, which is short for integer, meaning a whole number. After the closing parenthesis, we write an arrow and then int. This tells anyone reading the code that the function returns an integer value. The body of the function is plain Python, nothing changes there. We call add with 3 and 4, store the result, and print it. The hints do not affect how the code runs. When we run the file, Python simply prints 7. The type hints are completely invisible at runtime. They do their job silently in the background. Editors like VS Code read your type hints and underline mistakes before you even run the program. Tools like mypy can scan your whole project and report type mismatches automatically. To recap, type hints are optional labels that make your intentions clear. Python ignores them at runtime, but your editor and tools use them to help you write better, safer code.